Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. They have a very special car. I think it's one of 5,000 produced. 2004 Volkswagen R32. These cars pretty much came in 6-speed, manual, and all-wheel drive. Very limited production and kind of hard to find in this kind of shape. This one's all stock except for the catback Borla exhaust. It's got an intake and springs and coilovers to drop it down a little bit. I think they're H&R. Sounds fantastic, drives like a dream, fully loaded leather and everything. Finished in silver. It's got a new steering wheel too. Custom Alpine deck. 122,000 miles. Runs and drives fantastic. This is the ultimate hot hatch right here. I'll fire it up for you. It's got Recaros. One car, man. And it was 122,000 miles. Runs great. Sorry about that beeping. Beautiful shape. Moonroof. Exhaust sounds really nice. Oh, these are actually K&N, not Recaro. There's bolsters. 6-speed manual. Wheels are in nice shape too. Yes. The K&N cold air intake. That one's great. It's a fun little car. Must be locked. I'll buzz you around the block real quick.